Hey, let me ask you a question real quick. Have you been contacted, like someone's knocked on your door and talked to you about some net metering program? You're probably getting like 1,000 calls a day about solar from this company, that company. And I know, like, we're hearing solar all over the place. You might actually be a little bit curious. Rather than getting information from some stranger, you're like going to Google, but then you're afraid to Google because you're going to get bombarded with like even more calls, and it's happening enough. Let me tell you why so many people are in solar and checking it out now is because the game's totally changed. There are things about solar in the past that no longer exist, things that rightfully held people up and held people back from going solar that aren't even a thing anymore. I'm Zach. My name's Zach Hall.
I'm Brock Shackett. We work with Sunder Energy. And one of the biggest reasons we wanted to make this video is to help show people the reasons you haven't got solar in the past don't even exist. So you're waiting for no reason. So one thing that I hear all the time is solar's too expensive. There's too much upfront cost.
Yeah, and it would take too long to recoup that investment, like to earn it back. The fact is, actually, you can install solar on qualified homes now without paying a penny out of pocket. You spend nothing up front, and it will cost you less every month than it's already costing you to buy power from your utility, especially APS.
Yeah, well, so one of the other things is you don't know how long you're going to live in the home. Maybe that's what's held you back in the past is this isn't your forever home. So will you even benefit if you're not going to live there for the rest of your life?
Yeah, you're probably thinking like, we're not going to live here long enough. It's a long-term game, right? Well, the fact is it can save you money day one. This is why so many people are checking it out. And there's actually ways to save even thousands of dollars with the government incentives and things like that. We had a customer of ours net about $15,000 in a year. It might not be the case for you, but this is happening more often than not.
Yeah, probably the stickiest thing that was an issue in the past that I still get questions about now is a lien on the home. So when I go to sell my house, I heard it's a big issue that I've got solar on the home.
Oh, and it was a big issue. Like I said, rightfully so. If I had something putting a lien on my home, I wouldn't want it. Now there are no liens. There are no liens. This is so much more fluid and liquid. We want to help, and solar companies want to help as many people as possible capitalize on these benefits.
Yeah, and so solar is something that's been around a long time. It's changing, and people a lot of times their most common question is how much is it going to save me, right? Like what's the bottom line? What's my savings? And to answer that, like every single house is different. Your house faces a different direction. You might keep the temperature at a different rate, use power at different times of the day. What we do is a quick free consultation with people. We assess your actual usage at your home, how efficient your home is, and we determine exactly what it would cost. And you can do the comparison yourself. Is it cheaper than what you pay right now? Is it enough savings to be worth it? If it is or if it isn't, it doesn't hurt to learn about it because things are going to change pretty soon to where you're either going to go solar now or you probably never will. And all we are doing right now is just having you click this link below and get your information put in there. We'll just reach out, answer some more questions for you. And if you're interested in hearing more, we can set a time to actually come to your house. We just live here locally. So
Yeah, we're both here in the Phoenix Valley. More than happy to meet. We meet with people on a daily basis and help people realize, I hear it every day, like, oh, I thought this was a problem. I thought this would happen. I didn't realize it was so easy or so simple. Because really what's happening is you're spending money on power every month anyways. You can kind of see the chart here. But imagine that this is your current rate with APS. This is what you spend on power. You don't have to live here very long to realize that the rates have gone up, and you can probably predict that they're going to continue to go up. Your electric bill today, there's a lot of studies that suggest that it's going to be the second highest monthly bill that people pay in just a couple of years' time. And why people go solar is because that cost of the solar, without any upfront cost to get it, is less than what they're already spending on power now. But it goes towards something at a rate that never changes. I mean, can you imagine calling your utility company, calling APS and saying, hey, can I keep my payment the same for as long as I live here? What do you think they'd say to that?
yeah, I think everyone knows the answer to that. So really the big thing too, and why we're bringing this to you now is there are some changes coming up. Most people don't realize how good solar is in APS. But just for comparison, in SRP buys your power for 2.8 cents per kilowatt hour. It's not very much.
No, it's pennies.
Yeah, APS pays you almost 4 times as much for your power, but they've already gotten approved to change that this fall. The good news is you can lock that in and grandfather it in right now if you take action before this fall. And that's what we're doing right now, is giving you an easy opportunity just to learn more.
This is why so many people are clicking the link. We're meeting with so many people because, one, summer bills are about as high as they've ever been. It's hot. We're running power a lot more. But two, this change would mean everything. Like if you're not going to go solar now, and you're at all curious, this is the time to do it, because if you don't, it's just going to be worse. It's just going to get worse from here after. This is why so many people are meeting with us, and we're happy to share this information. We want to be able to just teach you about it. You can see for yourself if it makes sense. So click the link below. If you're just curious, like, hey, that all sounds good, but I'm still not sure about this or that, click the link. It doesn't hurt. We'll give you a call and we can address that. And then if you want to learn more, sure. But if you're ready to learn more also, just click the link below. It's right below the video here, and we'll come meet with you, Brock or myself, and we'll show exactly what it will look like for your home. And if it makes sense, great. If it doesn't make sense, also great. Just kick us out. But now you'll know, right? No hard feelings.